Hey YouTube, DIY Dave here. Got another little RC video for you. So I was out running a truck, and some of the other guys on track saying I had some neat little upgrades I've done on my Slash, or DIY upgrades, I should say. And so I'm just going to show them off. And first thing, it's nothing really new. I've seen a lot of other people do this as far as with some stays. It's just a heavy piece of string. This is the small 550 cord, and that's what I use for my clip keepers. And so that's nothing really new there. But I guess when it comes down to the interior, is where you start seeing the different stuff I've done. So right off the bat, the cable tray, I glued this Velcro onto the keeper here just to help keep the cables under control, so they don't fly around, bounce around. That's a pretty easy one. That's just with super glue and some Velcro. On the pin, I did the same thing with the cord, but I ran it through this battery keeper, so this cannot be lost. I can't tell you how many times I or my son have kind of put this down somewhere and we're sitting there looking around for it. Did the same thing on his Slash as well. So that's what I did for the battery tray. And now when it comes to the ESC, that's where they kind of geeked out the most about. So I've got a Castle Sidewinder. You can see the Castle motor back there and the ESC. And what I did was I made flattened out a piece of PVC pipe, heated it up, flattened it out, trimmed it out so everything matches up with the standard Slash holes there. Drilled some holes, and that goes through there. And then I made a little switch holder. Now I know you can go on our RPM and get this whole setup, relatively cheap and easy, but I wouldn't be called, DIY Dave for nothing. So I made it myself. Again, I just took some PVC, flattened out, and I heated up. I put a little 90 right there, a little 90 in the back side that you can't see. I have a small screw coming through the back side that's holding the little switch mount here. And as you can see, a couple of little screws right there, and that is what holds my switch on. And it's really easy to get, just coming through this back real well, and just clip it on and on without having to take the cover off. Super easy. Another little thing, the foam that comes with the Slash, I dug a little bit out so I can put the balance charger, I guess I don't really call it. I can stick that down in there so it doesn't get any mud or sand up in it, and helps keep that protected. I don't know if you saw that whenever I first took it off, but those are the quick little DIYs I did on my Slash. Hope this might be helpful for anyone. If I think about it down the road, maybe I'll do it for my sons. I'm about to upgrade his motor and ESC. So I'll probably be doing the exact same thing, and so I'll do a video of that so you get to see it. But here's some quick and easy things right now, and I hope you all enjoy. And remember, keep it DIY. Later.